Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Moves Made Easy TV. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you. My goal is to help you take control of your finances, make smarter money decisions, and build a secure financial future. Today, we're diving into personal finance for beginners. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your money management skills, this guide is packed with essential tips to set you on the right path. From budgeting basics to smart saving strategies, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Why personal finance matters. Why should you care about personal finance? It's not just about getting rich, it's about freedom. Proper money management gives you control over your life, allowing you to handle unexpected expenses, plan for the future, and retire comfortably without financial stress. Imagine having the peace of mind to cover emergencies, invest in your goals, and enjoy life on your terms. The best part, you don't need to be a math genius or have a finance degree to succeed. By following a few simple principles, you can avoid common financial pitfalls and set yourself up for long-term success. Key principles. 1. Avoid debt traps. Don't let high-interest debt hold you back. 2. Build security. Create a financial cushion for stability. 3. Grow wealth over time. Make smart investments and watch your money work for you. Understanding personal finance. So, what exactly is personal finance? Simply put, it's the way you manage your money, covering everything from your income and expenses to your savings and investments. It's about making informed financial decisions that help you achieve stability, security, and long-term success. The goal isn't just to earn money and pay bills, it's to make your money work for you. That means creating a plan that allows you to save, invest, and grow your wealth over time instead of constantly feeling like you're struggling to keep up. Whether it's budgeting wisely, avoiding unnecessary debt, or setting financial goals, understanding personal finance empowers you to take control of your future. By mastering the basics, you can reduce financial stress, increase opportunities, and ultimately build the life you want without worrying about living paycheck to paycheck. Budgeting 101. Creating a budget. The first step in mastering personal finance is budgeting. Think of a budget as your financial roadmap. It tells your money where to go instead of leaving you wondering where it went. A well-structured budget helps you track income, control expenses, and ensure you're spending wisely. Here's how to create one. 1. Track your income. List all sources, including your salary, freelance work, or side hustles. 2. List your expenses. Separate them into fixed expenses, rent, loans, insurance, variable expenses, groceries, dining out, entertainment. A great rule of thumb is the 50-30-20 budget rule. 50% for needs, rent, food, utilities, transportation. 30% for wants, entertainment, shopping, subscriptions. 20% for savings and debt repayment. To make budgeting easier, try using apps like Mint, YNAB, or Pocket Guard, saving money like a pro. Saving money is one of the most important steps in achieving financial security. But how much should you save? A solid rule of thumb is to build an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net protects you from unexpected events like medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss, so you're not relying on credit cards or loans to get by. The key is to start small. Even saving just $10 a week can add up over time. The sooner you develop the habit, the easier it becomes to grow your savings without feeling overwhelmed. Pro tip: automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account each month. When your savings happen automatically, you're more likely to stay consistent and reach your financial goals without even thinking about it. Managing debt wisely. Debt can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategy, you can take control and pay it off efficiently. The key is to have a structured plan and stay committed to it. Here are 2 proven methods to eliminate debt. 1. The debt snowball method. This approach focuses on paying off the smallest debts first while making minimum payments on the rest. Once a small debt is cleared, you roll that payment into the next smallest debt, creating momentum, like a snowball rolling downhill. This method is great for motivation because you see quick wins. 2. The debt avalanche method. This strategy targets debts with the highest interest rates first, saving you money over time. While it may take longer to see results, it minimizes the total amount you pay in interest. Choose the method that fits your situation best, stay consistent, and watch your debt shrink. Credit Score Crash Course. Your credit score is more important than you might think. It can impact your ability to get loans, rent an apartment, and even secure certain jobs. A higher credit score means better interest rates, saving you thousands of dollars in the long run. Here's how to improve your score. 1. Pay your bills on time. Payment history is the biggest factor in your credit score. Set reminders or automate payments to avoid late fees. 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Try to use less than 30% of your total credit limit to show lenders you're responsible with debt. 3. Check your credit report annually. Mistakes happen. Review your report for errors at annualcreditreport.com and dispute any inaccuracies. Fun fact, a 700-plus credit score could save you $50,000 or more on a 30-year mortgage. Investing for beginners. If you want to build long-term wealth, investing is essential. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants financial security and future stability. Beginner-friendly investment options. Index funds and ETFs. Low-cost, diversified investments ideal for beginners. Retirement accounts, 401k, IRA. Take advantage of tax benefits and employer matches. Stocks and bonds. A mix of growth and stability for long-term investing. Even investing just $50 a month can lead to massive gains over time. Rule of thumb. Start early. Thanks to compound interest, small, consistent investments can grow significantly. For example, investing $50 a month could turn into $100,000 plus over 30 years, all by letting your money work for you. Building good financial habits. At the end of the day, mastering personal finance isn't about quick fixes. It's about forming strong financial habits that set you up for long-term success. The key is consistency. Small daily decisions can have a huge impact on your financial future. Here are some essential habits to start with. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn to avoid unnecessary debt. Avoid impulse spending. Give yourself time before making non-essential purchases. Keep learning about money, read books, follow experts, and stay informed. Set financial goals. Having clear goals makes it easier to stay motivated. Review your finances regularly, track your spending, and adjust as needed. Personal finance is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed, be patient, and remember, small, consistent actions lead to big financial success. And that's a wrap on personal finance for beginners. I hope these tips empower you to take charge of your financial future and start making smarter money moves. Remember, financial success isn't about how much you earn, it's about how well you manage what you have. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future money tips. Also, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share one financial goal you're working on right now. Let's support each other on this journey. For more in-depth financial guidance, make sure to subscribe to Money Moves Made Easy TV and continue growing your financial knowledge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.